right, hello, rocket people. Do you want to see the intro?
Hello.
Yes, there's two of us now. We have fancy new Christmas toys. So here's Waipahu Park in all its splendor. I don't even have to turn it. Yeah, Insta360. The biggest concern about the Insta360 is that, like, if this is an Insta360, that means that everything else is now, like, a delayed 120. By contrast, it just makes everything else look terrible, which is very unfortunate. Anyway, so as 3, 2, 1. Continuity is good. It is starting to rain liquid sunshine in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The birds are loving it.
We have disturbed the birds.
Oh wow, straight down.
Yeah. Bonk. Nice.
Perfect.
4, 3, 2, 1.
It's a little misty today. All right, see the altitude.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off.
Oh, that had two motors?
2-engine cluster. Perfect.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off.
Oh, that had two motors?
2-engine cluster. Perfect.
Yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1.
All right.
4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Got egg timer.
In the payload bay.
Yeah.
All right, egg timer in the payload bay. Green eggs. What are we launched on?
D12.5.
D12.5. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where do we go for the humidity? What's up there? Is that wadding?
It looks like it's all together.
Yeah.
It's at third base. I saw the wadding land over by that tree right there.
I don't hear an altimeter, do you?
Yeah, it's beeping, but it only
Oh,
has
it's
one
muffled
hole.
from the payload bay. Roger.
Mhm.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off. Go. Oh, that went up there.
Yeah.
Is it away from the lights?
Like, come down on the roof. Come on this side. Come on this side. You can do it.
Yeah, we're good. We're good. All right. Yay! Not in the pool.
Yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1. Here goes.
All right. Sky's clear. Yeah. Range's clear. Go for it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There goes. Success. That's just the wadding coming down. How long has it been since you last launched a rocket?
I was probably 15. I'm now 60, almost 70. So that's 55 years.
55 years.
55 years.
Wow, that's an old rocket.
An old rocket.
3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's supposed to have a streamer.
Yeah.
That's okay.
It's got a lot of surface area on those fins, so. Hey.
Yeah, it just didn't come out. Maybe they put too much wadding in it or something.
Lift off. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
Boom. Didn't deploy.
Not fully.
Oh, upright. Stuck the landing.
4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's only still exciting.
Yeah.
The wind up there?
Nothing down here.
Nice fork tongue.
Is that the canal? Ooh, that was a close one. Sometimes the rockets want to go on an adventure, and sometimes they say, no, I'll just hang around. Just barely miss going into the canal.
Lift off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
Come on. Nope.
Nope.
You broke your record.
4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Oh, that was wonky. Oh.
Hmm.
4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Wow, that went straight.
On to the gym roof. And beyond.
Nice. The wadding landed just right next to it. It's an old parachute.
Blast off.
Oh,
Shoot is gone.
Oh, well, it's got a lot of surface area.
third base.
Well,
Shoot.
I think we have a couple of replacements for you, Gary.
Might be in the tree. Oh, look at that.
Good. Huh. Nice.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off.
Wow.
Oh,
On the roof.
yeah. Sorry, Gary.
Oh well.
Good to go.
Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off.
Whoa!